welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
なお、非常ボタン
Lang nakalagay na platform.
お出口は右側です。ドアから手を離してお待ちください。まもなく美濃坂本です。美濃坂本を出ます。
Welcome to Nakatsugawa Station. Okay, food hunting. We still have few more minutes. Yes, this one, but it's stopped. So that's Nakatsugawa Station. So, food hunting. Ano ba? Ah! That's the tourist center. Pew, 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 pew. Wow. Cherry blossoms dyan. One more train to Nagisa Station. Then one bus going to Tsumagawa. Or travel. Puro biyahe yung ginawa. See you there!
Button lights up. When you get off, put your fare and boarding.
Nagisa Station. So nice.
あいのはおかしい。俺のせっかくあの子まで来て、帰りから空っぽで帰ってくるなんてな。
Tsumagujuku. There na sa station. So we're here. We're starting our trail, the Ido Trail from Tsumagujuku to Magomejuku. It's already 1 p.m.
Time check. Quarter to 1.
Quarter to 1.
Late po ang mga person.
Super late. So it's better na you have to leave super early. Siguro mga first trip, no?
Dapat 7 supposed to be yung flight. 7. But I think we leave at 9. But 2 hours.
Kasi mawawala ka. So marami kang ligaw. Alat niyo na yung 1 hour na maraming ligaw. So yan lang. Tja!
Matane.
Matane. Ay, ito na yung famous na. Ay, may cherry blossoms oh. So this is Tsumagujuku. Every time she gets a chance. Toot toot.
We're going to Magome. Time check.
Almost 2 p.m.
Yes, quarter to 2. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, start of 2. So kung 2 kami nandito, sakto alas 4. Nasa Magome na kami. makakasalubong. Kasi, pa-uphill to. So, mas madali kung magagaling ka sa Magome. Eh, since ayaw natin ng madali, doon tayo sa mahirap.
Kaya pala, walang hiya ka.
Ayan po yung storya ng Tsumago to Magome namin. Kasi less crowded dito pag dito ka mag-start. Kesa sa Magome, takot po kami sa tao. Char. Ay, picture tayo dito. Magome Juku. Magome Juku. Namali ka na ng sinamahan. Nare-realize mo na ba? Another Sakura. Is it Sakura or plum? Small stop. Quick stop to this very beautiful variety of this is plum.
Ah, this is plum.
It's Afnan blossom.
Teka, ito siya.
Wala pong magsasawa. Yung isang YouTube episode ni Shai, isang ano lang yung Tsumago to Magome lang ang content.
Sumaga tapos ang sunod na nasa Magome na video. Mapagod ang person.
Hindi pa to Sakura, this is also plum pala. Ganda ng sky oh. Ayan, mag-start na tayong mag-enter ng mountain.
Hindi na patay nagma-mountain ba?
Ito na yata yung tuloy-tuloy hanggang Magome na.
Sarap.
Diba, pwede po mag-refill ng water dito. Drinkable water. May pa-sink kasi. From the mountain of Kita.
Sarap.
Kita Mountain. Magome! Come on, vámonos! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get to it! I know that we can do it! Where are we going?
Sana all mamahalin.
Ayan, okay na.
Sorry
Anong SD mo? Yung mamahalin. Sana all mamahalin talaga.
Hindi ko tinanong kumahalin.
Parang ano sila? Parang nasa lanta. Char.
Iba na yung Ay, naku po. Ganda dito. Ay, ganda. Nagbubura ang person.
Nandito ba yung February ko na Japan?
Kaya pala eh. Loading na. Wow. Have my backup phone. Wow, chums, it's so nice there. Chums. Chums. Chums! Pagod na ang person. Sunscreen. Daming break.
Chill tayo. 4.6 na lang. Nasa we're almost there and everywhere. CR break. Ganding, no? May restroom sila. Oh, never upload. Ay, oo nga, mayroong nakita mga Korean. Grizzly eye. Brown.
The famous tree here in Ido Trail and the Nakasendo Trail.
3 kilometers to go. Anong sabi?
So this cherry blossom tree is already 250 years old. Wow. Wow. Representing. No. Philippines. Two. Almost there. Here we come, Magome.
Sendo. Nakasendo Trail. Another bell for the bear.
Come on.
Ise, ase. Nadimo, nadimo. Third town, a shrine. Look at the sky.
31 minutes.
Yeah, huh?
Yatta! Oh, what's this? Berries?
Ito. Pagkain ng ahas.
Huh?
Joke lang.
Taste.
Wow. I'm not mistaken, ito yung Magome Pass.
Ano?
Sa Magome Pass. Let's go. Ah! Inisip ko na po ang person. Okay. Nasaan na tayo? So we are here and then lakad kami. Ooh! Tapos ang cute na ito mga bahay. Oh. Ating mga store to. Tapos tourist info center. Tapos dito na kami. Yung malapit dito yung Magome Chaya. Tapos bukas na namin na-explore tong mga to. Yan lang. Shower.
So, 100 yen bottled water. Tapos yung nagbabantay, yung duck, you know. Wow, oh, meron nga nagbayad 100. Wow. May bus ka pa, oh. Bus ka.
Basta tapu. Nani o tarararan. Ise-ase. Tarana.
A garden. Parang garden of ano no, arts. Rabbit. Pig. Ay, dog. Please don't disturb. Uwaki.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lapit na. 0.6 meters. Ay, kilometers, sorry. 0.6 kilometers to go. Let's go, let's go. Ganda ng mountain range to, no? Okay. Excited ka na bang kumain?
Yes. I want to eat matcha ice cream.
Sana mayroon pang bukas.
Almost. Yay! Lapit na tayo mga bestie. Yung mga flowers na parang plastic. Ano? And then this one too. Pero totoo yan. Hi! Ohio! From Gomejuku. So it's 7:20. Wala pang tao masyado naglulubot. So we stayed in Magome Chaya. Buti nabasa ni Cham sa isang vlogger. Amazing dinner after a long walk. Naging long because we always have stopover for the view. So we arrived like 5 p.m. But it was worth it. Tsaka mura lang, Chams, no? Hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. And we have a nice view too. Ja! Explore namin yung Magomejuku. See ya!
Namin to mamaya. Yung matcha ice cream. Oh. Ay. Hida beef bun. Meron silang Hida beef bun.
Ang cute dito, Chance. Pagkatan mo ko. Picture eh.
Ito na. So, nasa Magome pa rin kami. Punta kami sa observatory deck. Hola. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Oh. Wow. Wow, sugoi. Wow. So excited for Shin Hotaka Chance. Let it go. Let it go.
Eto snow cap yung taas nito. Nakita ko to kaninang umaga nung wala pang clouds eh.
Talaga?
Oo.
No person and human being, only chums. Ang ganda, chums, oh. Wow. Wow. So nice. I feel
I can run! I can...
Yay, they're open. Wait. They have this Hida beef bun and ice cream and coffee. Kami nagpicture kanina.
Beef dito?
Hida beef, pagkakot nga.
Impacto na to. Happy food days.
Let's go, let's go. Ito na lang bag mo. Pag grocery ka, ganyan yung bag mo. Ito ka palengke.
Tama na po. Enough of the souvenir store. We're broke. Brocade. We're brocade.
Hindi mo sarap.
Pero goods yung binilhan natin na souvenir store nung unang-una.
Yung madami. Pero dito medyo madami. Ay, hala. Tingnan mo dito.
Parking yata. Ito na yata yun.
Alam.
Yung bus.
Parking to?
Parking.
Ayun, bus.
Oh. Wala. Hindi na natin nadaanan yung iba.
Ano iba? Wala yata dito yun. Or baka kailangan, hindi na tayo nag-work walking. Found this. Wow. De. Wow. Yan na. With the view. Nato kung ano. Wow. Famous food in Magome. Gohimochi. Gohimochi.
Yan. Kuhimochi. Delicacy ng Magomejoku.
Ano ka pala? It's a rice ball with sauce. Look. Linis ko pa si Rano.